I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. We're still in the lovely Zante, Greece, and we're in Kalamaki, and we're just going to take a walk down the Kalamaki strip and see what's going on 2025 summer. Hope everyone's doing well. So this is the lovely Kalamaki. Just come from Melon Bar, getting one of our favourites. We're just going to see what's going on. What's Wagwan 2025? You guys know the vibe. So you've got a little supermarket, quite a lot of apartments. So just going down there, you've got Costas. They do like traditional Greek nights. Lovely people. We met them the other evening. And it's got a nice pool, which is free to everyone to use. Obviously, you've got to buy a drink. I think that's quite reasonable. But yeah, really, really lovely. And they do traditional Greek evenings. So the sort of plate smashing, dancing. They set the pool alight. Really, really good fun. So what's this place that we have got? Sophia's Chill Out Bar. Happy hour, 8 till 9. All cocktails, €5. Not bad at all. It's a really good price. So if you want a budget, €5 happy hour. It's not bad. Got Daisy Pool Bar. They're open every day from 8 AM. All welcome. That's Daisy Pool Bar. And that is where you got Sophia's Chill Out Bar. That's going to be up there. All right, let's keep going because we're doing the actual strip, Kalamaki. What is new? Let's see Wagwan. Absolutely roasting. So yeah, it's very, very hot. See the lovely mountains in the distance as well. So just give you guys a bit of a perspective. This is just 10 minutes from Laganas, very close to the airport if you are staying in Kalamaki. So definitely worth a visit. And if you are staying here, there is plenty to see. It's got another one here. Looks like it's closed at the moment. Got Bliss Salon and Spa. There you go. Gonna get your hair done for a night out. And it's done. Nice big open field. Been bitten so much on this holiday. I always do as soon as the sun comes out, like from end of May, June onwards, anywhere I go abroad. The mosquitoes come hunting for me. I didn't actually used to get bitten as much, so I don't know what's changed. So we got a venue up there, cocktail bar, live music, bar club. Let's check out the prices. Let's see what you're going to have to fork out. So they've also got a happy hour, 2:30 till 9:30. That's every night. So you've got Guinness, karaoke, got acts on as well. Cider, all your draughts, all your everything that you need. Hiya. That looks really nice, got a big screen and stage. Then you've got Chattatori, very fancy in there. Right, let's keep going. So you can see it's actually quite a long strip, loads of options. Obviously I'm just doing one side at the moment. So there is a lot to do. So if you are thinking Kalamaki, is it worth it? Because you've heard maybe like Laganas. Yes, it is worth it. you're not going to be bored. You probably won't even need to venture into Laganas. A lot of people don't, if I'm honest, because you've got so much here on your doorstep. But it is nice to know it's just around the corner. If you did want to venture out, you could obviously walk it, 10-minute drive, or a bit more of a longer walk. So we got Mia. It's like a little coffee shop. Nice little seafood restaurant, Ellie's Place. We got a shisha cocktail bar coming up. Let's have a look at prices. So happy hour again, you got cocktails from £5, special price on all the shots. Lovely.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, that one's really pretty. Really nice in there. Right, let's be careful now. So we need to cross the road. And then we've got Escobar. Hello.
The name is Escape Cocktail Bar.
Ah, thank you. There you go, viewers. You heard what it is. Cheers. See, I shouldn't really speak, should I? I'm not very good at pronouncing anything. Lovely restaurant here, evening.
It's only the restaurant, it's only me.
Oh, okay. What's your speciality? What's the best dish if someone's going to come here?
I promise you, super, my love. It's not only one dish, it's lots of things.
Lots of dishes.
Fresh cuisine.
Fresh cuisine, there you go. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening. Thank you. There you go. Fresh cuisine, everything is good. You got diamond, gold and silver. Hotel Vanessa coming up. Most of these hotels have their own sort of bars and restaurants as well. Usually, if they're lucky enough, got a pool, so you don't really have to leave. And yeah, looks like this one does as well. There you go, not a huge pool, but big enough. Vanessa's pool bar. Bullhorn Steakhouse. It's in the title. Hello. So yeah, I think we can all figure out what that's good for. If you like your steak, go to Bullhorn Steakhouse. Little gift store. And then we come back to, oh, a lovely pool on this one. So, guys, we're seeing the name. We already know she's not going to pronounce it. So I'm going to let you read. I'm going to let you do some actual reading. But look at this. Really nice hotel. Really nice big size pool there. Those are sun lounges. Really nice. That's right on Kalamaki Strip. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever stayed there. Is it worth it? And they've got their own little bar as well. Really big bar. So that looks like a really nice one to stay at. Lots of rooms, balconies. Got the football tonight, evening. So you've got the Netherlands playing this evening. Right, let's have a look what we've got coming to this little end. I think we're going to spin around. So you've got the corner 45. So they've got live ska and reggae. There we go. Really is a very, very long strip. Got the sizzling grill. And then at the top we got Oasis Bar. There is more bars up here. I'm going to turn around at Oasis Bar and do the other side. Got some more just up there as well. So yeah, so you've got all the kind of bars that veer off the main strip. And then obviously you've got the main strip, which has so much. This is Oasis Bar and Cocktail. Really is so much choice. And last little one, Divine Bar. So obviously it does keep going all the way up. As you can see, it is quite a long road. And if you keep going up and round, you can obviously make your way towards Laganas. I'm going to cross over towards Olive Tree and we're going to have a look on what's going on the other side. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, if you have been to Kalamaki, let me know in the comments below what your favourite bar is, where you like to go on the strip. Is there anything new, something that's gone that you're really upset about? Have I missed anything? All the good stuff. Let me know. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sabrina and welcome to the Wagwan Tours family. Really appreciate everyone if you could subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one.